here's the street, and I can guess which are the houses already because there's a queue of people. You can even hear music. People are definitely happy here. I'm going to, see if I can enter without overcrowding the place. Okay, so this is the second house that I've entered, and it's just gorgeous. Look at the colors. Bougainvilleas, my goodness. It just fills you with joy. This is such an incredible patio to be in. It's a bigger one with little nooks and crannies. And I love how all these plants, like the bougainvillea, create all this shade and that profusion of colors, of course, contrasting these beautiful blue doors. I feel like I've stepped into a very lush oasis in the hottest city of Europe. It's Córdoba, where temperatures in summer rise up beyond 40, 45 easily. And I can imagine the respite that all this greenery gives. The plants above giving shade. Yeah. This is my first time here to see this concurso, the competition of the patios. And I'm so glad I made this trip here because everything fills you with such delight and marvel. I think we need that sense of marvel sometimes in our life when we see something new or we see something unusual or we see how much care people have put into something that they really love. That to me is really inspiring. Yeah, wow. So glad I made this trip. Do come here one day too, if you can. It's probably taken me about 20 years over the years that I've come to Spain to actually come to see this festival. And if you do come to Spain one day, don't hesitate, come in May. It's a great time to be here because in April you get the Semana Santa. Depending on the time, of course, sometimes it fluctuates, but then after that you get the Feria de Abril 2 weeks later, and in May you get the concurso de Patios de Córdoba. So it's a great time to be here.